So today in this video I will be showing you a few tips and tricks for the Realme UI. There are many features that everyone knows about, but there are few key important features and tricks that are hidden around in the Realme UI. There are many apps that we install in our phone, but only a few that we use every day. If you want, you can freeze these unused applications from being used in the background. Go to Settings, click on Process Management, and here it will show you the applications that are running in the background. Click on the two dots and freeze the application. Realme UI has an app drawer by default, but many users are used to not having an app drawer. Press and hold on the home screen, then click on Settings and go to Home Screen mode. Here you can see the different types of modes that are available on the Realme UI. You can choose your preference here. The app's recommendation in the app drawer annoys a lot of people, including me. So if you want to disable it, there is an option on the Realme UI as well. Press and hold on the home screen and go to Settings and turn the option to Show App Prediction. That's it, you are done. Now when you open the app drawer, you will see that there is no app recommendations. Many users use the screen recording feature, but they also want to get the system audio in the screen recording. On the Realme UI, go to Settings, click on Additional Settings, click on Record Screen, and you will get the desired options. The apps that we use today ask for a lot of information on us, and there is always an issue of privacy leak. But on the Realme UI, you get an option to keep all of your personal data safe, in which you can select which app gets what kind of permissions. Go to Settings and click on Privacy and choose the option Personal Information Protection. Here you can see all the call history, contacts and messages that any app can access to. If you want to keep any photos, videos or even documents private on your phone, go to Settings and click on Privacy and click on Private Safe. Here you can put your own password and add the photos, videos or even documents that you want to keep safe from the prying eyes. On the Realme UI, when you pull down from the top, you don't get the notification panel, and that annoys a lot of people. Well, there is a setting for it. Press and hold on the home screen and click on Settings. Click on Swipe down on home screen and select Notification Center. Now, whenever you swipe down on the home screen, you will get the Notification Center. There are many power saving features available on the Realme UI. Just go to Settings, click on Battery, and here they are. You can see many options that are available on the Realme UI to save battery. There is a feature in Realme UI that helps you to get audio from the wired as well as wireless headphones simultaneously. To enable this feature, go to Settings and click on Realme Lab. Here you can see the option available and you can turn it on as well. The most important feature I found on the Realme UI is the Smart Slide Bar. Here you can see that you can even add more features and more apps that you can use over whatever you are currently doing. The most handy of all is the Calculator app. You can see that it has its own window. So these are a few handful tips and tricks that I learned from using the Realme UI for just 24 hours. If you have liked this, I hope you can stick around and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.